So here's the motorcycle Auntie Christy got me at. I'm going to say Miette and Fate because I think Fate's going to use it too. And so I'm recording Fate's reaction, or Miette's reaction to the motorcycle. Look, mija.
Oh my God, look, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
It's from Auntie Christy.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
It's a gift for you, baby. For Auntie.
Oh, it's a perfect size. Here, mija. Hold on. You gotta turn it on. Okay. You take your foot off to stop. See that? Right there? Oh. Be careful, mija.
Be careful, she's going to it.
It's okay.
Oh, she's been riding already?
A little bit. She's off. Okay, take your foot off the pedal and move the bicycle. Okay, now put your foot back. Careful, mija. Mija. Yeah, let go. Let go.
There you go.
You gotta make sure you look where you're driving. This is new. This is the first time she's seen it.
Oh, it's the first time she's seen it?
Okay, take your foot off. Mija. Mija, take your foot off. There you go. Okay, now listen. Stop. Let me show you. So if you want to go reverse, go like that. Now push the button. This one. No, this way. You're going to go backwards. Mija, listen. Okay, now you're going to go backwards. Here, look. Okay, stop. 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 Now you can go forward again. Okay, push the pedal.
Now I'm going to disappear the thing.
Push the pedal. Turn. There you go. Take your foot off. Mija, take your foot off. Okay, now go backwards. Remember, backwards here. Okay, take your foot off. Take your foot off. Okay, now go forward, Mija. Go forward, stop. Mija, take your foot off. Take your foot off. Take your foot off. This one. There you go. Now go forward. Okay, push the button again. That's it, Mija. Not in the grass. Not in the grass, Mija. Take your foot off. Okay, now pick it up and bring it to over here. Bring it back over here. Now get up. Get up. You have to get off. There you go.